Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning the rear traffic alert on or off on the Seat Arona. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. The rear traffic alert will alert you when there is traffic crossing behind you when you are in reverse gear. You can turn this off if you like. Follow the steps to learn how to enable or disable the rear traffic alert. Tap the car button to the right of the infotainment system screen. Then tap Settings at the bottom of the page. Tap Parking and Maneuvering. Scroll down the Parking and Maneuvering settings and tap Activate Automatically under the Rear Traffic Alert heading. When there is a check in the checkbox, the setting is on, and you will get notified when something is crossing behind you when in reverse gear. When there is no check in the checkbox, the alert is turned off, and you won't get a notification when something crosses behind you. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Seat Arona tips and tricks.